It's the thirstiest time of the year. Hey. Yeah. I have just one query.
Want a Sprite cranberry?
Service in Upland, New York has issued a tornado warning for southern Fairfield County, southeastern Bergen County, and northeastern New Jersey, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, until 9 p.m. At 8:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Fort Lee, or over Ridgefield, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near East Tremont and Riverdale around 8:40 p.m. Yonkers and New Rochelle around 8:45 p.m. White Plains and Rye around 8:50 p.m. Fort Chester around 8:55 p.m. Greenwich around 9 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
As long as it's within the anyway, use what you like. Perfect.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County, New Haven County, Northern Middlesex County, Central Westchester County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Eastern Putnam County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Suffolk County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lake Carmel to near Sandy Hook, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Brewster around 8:45 p.m. Danbury and Bethel around 8:50 p.m. Long Beach and Newtown around 8:55 p.m. Freeport and Jones Beach around 9 p.m. Massapequa and Southbury around 9:05 p.m. Waterbury and Lindenhurst around 9:10 p.m. Islip and Brentwood around 9:15 p.m. Ronkonkoma and Sayville around 9:20 p.m. Patchogue and Holbrook around 9:25 p.m. Shirley and Medford around 9:30 p.m. Manorville and Center Morridge is around 9:35 p.m. Calverton around 9:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, until 10:45 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from the Verrazano Narrows Bridge to 24 nautical miles northwest of Bowie to 17 nautical miles east of Miles River, moving southeast at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in subtly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Bowie 2FB, Bowie 4FB, Atlantic Highlands, Deepwater Reef, Garden State South Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Miami Light, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, Indian River Inlet Bridge, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Park, Brigantine, Bethany Beach, Ocean Gate, Little Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, Great Egg Inlet and Rehoboth Beach. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Suffolk County in southeastern New York until 10:30 p.m. At 9:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rocky Point to Robert Moses State Park, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wading River and Calverton around 9:45 p.m. Mattock and Mastic Beach around 10 p.m. Southold and Pecanut around 10:05 p.m. Sag Harbor and Noack around 10:10 p.m. Plum Island around 10:20 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.